Thank you, Rolanda. Okay, hey, I'm Drodio. It's a pleasure to be here. Just a show of hands, I'm curious to know, who is a founder? Raise your hand. Okay, so let's call it a founder in a company of 1. Keep your hand up. Who is in a company of like 2 to 10? So 10, okay. What about 10 to 100? Anyone in a larger company of 10 to 100? Okay. What about 100 to 1,000? Is anyone working for a larger company? Okay, so we're all early stage. All right, well, it's great to meet you. I'm Drodio. Our company is Storytell. Storytell is enterprise AI for unstructured data. And it's anybody who's working with really large, typically incompatible data sets. Let's call it like data lakes. Maybe we also call it data swamps. But it's data that doesn't live in a database. And let's actually roll the video because we'll talk a little bit about the problem before we talk about the solution. So, Storytell.ai, what if your data could whisper to you? And what I mean when I say that is the majority of data inside the enterprise is unstructured data. It's 80% of all data. It doesn't live in a database across every department, across engineering and customer success and marketing and IT. It's a lot of unstructured data. What if that data could be a strategic asset? Storytell is a platform that allows for querying of data sets. And what I'm doing here is I'm an analyst, and I'm querying a 2024 sales report. Now, that might be a PowerPoint document. And I want to know, based on our company's burn rate, and maybe that's a CSV, is our company going to be profitable? So Storytell allows me to query these relative data sets. I couldn't usually query a PowerPoint and a CSV. Storytell, when you load CSVs in, we crawl the CSV and turn it into LLM-friendly chunks effectively. Here's another example. So I'm in customer support and I've got some NPS data, and then I'm also trying to understand based on maybe some customer feedback and some user research data, again, incompatible formats. Each one of these blue boxes is a collection that might have N documents in it. It might have 100 or 1,000 documents in it. We are able to query large data sets because we have an LLM router that allows us to have unlimited context windows, so we don't get stuck with the like 100 or 200,000 token context windows. I can also, as a user, go deeper. I can say I want to go deeper into the answer. I can reach more deeply into the large language model to get a more in-depth answer. So earlier in the day, we were talking about the importance of good UI, UX. We really focus on this for users. We let them get back to the source data so they can trust the answers. We make it so that it's really easy to start to query and work with large sets of unstructured data. That's the LLM router. You can override the LLM router. Most users don't want to. They just want the best answer every time. But some users do care. Again, it's about building humane technology that allows the user to be in control. Maybe I want to query just my data set. Maybe I want to use foundational training data. Again, it's about building humane technology that lets the user be in control. So this example is CSV data, it's PDF data, it's text data. The reason I'm here is because we are opening this platform up so that you can access it through APIs and SDKs. If you are interested in doing this, we would love for you to be a design partner with us. And so what we've done is we've started to document our API endpoints. We're looking for the right design partners who have large unstructured data sets that want to be able to use Storytell or leverage Storytell functionality. So LLM router, we crawl CSVs. If you want to contact me, you can do it right here. And while you are taking a picture of that, I'm going to take a picture of us for our team. So let's do a quick selfie here. Okay. All right. Thank you all. Storytell.ai. It's a pleasure.